Okay, in your home, you like to you like to store your documents in a almirah of in the second shelf. There are many shelves in your almirah, and in that any one, two, or three third shelf, you have to notice. You are required to memorize that things. Whenever in future you need that documents, so you go to that place and easily find out that. ओके, जल्दी से ढूंढने के लिए हमें कौन सा जगह में हम लोग रखे हैं हमें याद रखना पड़ता है। दैट लाइक दैट यहाँ पर भी कंप्यूटर में मैं जो फाइल क्रिएट किया हूँ उसको मैं कौन सा प्लेस में रखना चाहता हूँ वो जगह का नाम मुझे स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा। ओके, so I have to specify the place where I have to store the file. Okay, so from that I go to my computer, within that or my PC या only computer, that is also in your desktop. So यहाँ पर हम लोग browse, arrow mark is there where we can browse, where we have to store. From that I go to PC or computer. From that I go to the different drives are there, like your C drive, like your D drive. These are the storing location. These are the storing location. E, F, or in external memory also there you can find also there removable disk, that is. Okay, so we are not storing the some files in the C drive. Okay, there is no any rule to store. Cannot store here. We can store here, but we do not want to store in the C drive because it is specified only for softwares. Only for softwares. Okay, so we have to store our files, folders, any other things that we have, pictures. So that is, we can choose D drive, E drive and F drive. Okay, so from this I have to choose the place, and also from D drive there is a folder named let my school. I have to select that also. After that I have to यहाँ पर OK button is there. Here one OK button is there and I have to select OK. Then my file is, and also sorry, one more thing is there. I have to specify the name of the file. File name. Here file name. One more thing is there, file name. Here I have to name my file. Just I am creating a new file, so I have to give a name. Okay, so here I class 10. I give it a name class 10. Okay, so and after that also there is another thing, what type of file you want to store. So now I am not explaining about this. Here you found Word document. Here it is. Here it is Word document. Okay, justification of the file, a type of file, that is, you can say that is called type of file. So you have to specify that also, but now only we need to know the document or file that we have created is only Word document. Okay, after that we just click on the OK button. We click on the OK button. So your file is saved on the given destination, that is in the D drive and within the folder my school, or the file's name is what? Class 10. File's name is class 10. Anything or any names you can give also. Okay, so these these are the process and the explanation, and you can do with your own self. Now folder. Another thing is folder, how to create a folder and how to name this folder. So very easy thing is this. In your desktop, here your desktop is like this. It is your desktop. Let some icons are there and some folders are also there, that is called also icon. So in the blank space in your desktop, you have to right click your mouse. Right click in your mouse, there are two buttons, one is right and another one is left. Okay, so in the right button you have to click your finger. Some menus are appear, some sub menus are appear. Within that, one menu is there called new, to create folder. To create folder, what are the steps? I just write also here. First, what happened? Right click on the desktop. Okay, after that, just in the context menu, the pop-up menus are there. Within that, new you found. When you move over the new, there is an arrow mark. Okay, from placing there, another menu will appear. Another menu will appear, and there you found new folder. There you found new folder option. Okay, just drawing is not good, but just need to understanding the things. New folder. Okay, there is a menu called new folder. Just right click on the desktop first. You have to right click on the desktop, go to the new button or new command. Okay, third, new menu is appear. So select new folder from the new pop-up menu. So when you clicking on the new folder, your folder will created on the desktop. Here one folder will created like this, and its name is given by the computer, that is called the default name. One name is given by the computer, that is called default name, or that is my folder. My folder. Okay, one name is there, my folder. If you want to keep this name as it is, then just press the enter key from your keyboard, or you can left click anywhere outside of this folder, like in your desktop. So the name is as it is. If you want to rename, okay, if you want to rename this folder, just remove these things, or at that time also you can give the name. When you created the main folder name, there is a shaded blue color shaded things are there within this naming. Or one cursor also blinking here, and you can remove it and named it by yourself. What name you want to give this folder? I am just keeping this as my folder. Okay, and you can rename also by renaming this. How to rename? Also I am giving to rename. I will discuss it about in the later. So this one is the new my folder. One folder will create it. If you want to create another folder, just right click here and follow all these steps. Follow all these steps and another folder will create it. Or you not change the name of your folder also. You are not change the folder name of the previous folder. The name is my folder. Okay, and one more folder will open and its name is by default given by the computer. It is my folder 1. It is my folder 1. That's why I am just keeping this name. The folder name is my folder because I wanted to knows you about these things also. Tell you about these things also. So when you are create a folder by a name my folder, and again you are again one more folder you are created, or that's name is by default its name was what? My folder 1. Okay, so just go through this, create some folders, enjoy these very interesting things these are. Okay.